What's up YouTube, KYT here, and if you've been following me on the channel, you would know why I've been busy for the past month. I'm preparing to become a dad, but as evidenced by this photo, it could happen anytime this week now, so I'm pretty excited. I like to joke that my wife is about to blow at any moment now. Before jumping into this video, of course, got to do a quick portfolio update. Nothing really has changed. The market is still uncertain, so I'm up around $200 since the last month, but we're holding steady as you would expect. Now, in the past, if I talk about XEQT, I go through this long-winded video. I try to condense everything into 10 minutes, but I have a few friends who have approached me in the last week with specific questions. They're trying to work themselves out of debt this year and hopefully start to invest. And I want to be able to answer them in these quick, shorter than hopefully 5-minute videos. So in this one, I'm going to be talking about dividends. Is it free money? Like, that's the first thing people will hear about. Oh, you should invest in dividends because they pay out a certain amount of money every year. What is it exactly? Now, in this case, Wikipedia actually offers a pretty good explanation. A dividend is a distribution of profits by a corporation to its shareholders. When a corporation earns a profit or surplus, it is able to pay a proportion of the profit as a dividend to shareholders. So usually dividends are associated with some stocks like Coca-Cola. Basically, they made a crap ton of money, but instead of investing that money back into the company, into new products, because maybe there's no new flavors of Coke they want to work on, they give them back to the shareholders. That's at least a story that I hear a lot to explain dividends. You just Google their company name and stock, and Google can show you the dividend yield. So here you can see 2.71%. You go, banks are also known to give dividends. So you can go here and check out BMO, 3.71%. And then there's Enbridge, Canadian pipeline company, that gives 5.90%. You can look into detail what these numbers mean, but basically that's the percentage of their share value that they're expected to give out during the whole year. So that's the gist of it. The basics is that you have these companies that give away money to their shareholders, but the value of the company then theoretically goes down based on the money that they gave out. So for example, let's say you have $10 invested in company X or whatever, and that company gives out $1 in dividends. So at this point, your company X is now worth $9, that share you have, and you have $1 in cash. So to you, your portfolio, when you think of it practically speaking, nothing really changes. It's just that the share value went down and you have that equivalent in cash. So you had $10 before, you had $10 when they pay out their dividends. Of course, this is theoretical. Prices change constantly based on what the market thinks the company is worth, but theoretically, that's what actually happens. So you're not getting free money. And this is why at the end of March, when I got a bunch of dividends, I got over, you can check this out right here on the screen here, over roughly $460 in dividends, but that doesn't really make me happy or anything. I know that comes from the share value. So it's not $460 that I got for free. And that's why if you're like me and you have a steady income, you don't need to rely on dividends to pay any bills, and you have a long time horizon, you don't really care about dividends. You don't care except that when you get them, you want to reinvest them back into the stock market. So I hope that all makes sense, and hopefully I'll see you guys sooner than I hope.